Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Tiffany and I create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that sparks your interest, please consider subscribing before you go. I would love for you to join my family. In today's video, I'll be decorating in my family room and my front porch, and I'll also be doing a small and easy DIY for my front porch decor. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm going to start by spray painting these tables first. I purchased them from a store here in Florida called Bell's, and they were $7.99 each, and I thought that they would be perfect for what I had in mind. I wanted to sit them on my front porch, and I thought that they were the perfect height and just not the perfect color. And I'm going to be using some spray paint that I already had on hand, but it's the Rust-Oleum American Accents Satin Canyon Black Paint and Primer. And I got it from Walmart, and I think when I purchased it from Walmart, it was only like $3.96. But the coverage on it is awesome because I only had to go over each one time. So this is what my front porch looks like now. It's kind of boring, and I just wanted to spruce it up a bit.
So I can show you what I'm gonna do.
So this is everything that I'm going to be using for my DIY. I purchased the moss there from Dollar Tree. The ribbon was from Walmart, and those two lanterns were from Walmart as well. And they were on clearance for $7 each, and I thought that was a steal because they are normally $24 a piece. And I got the two LED candles from Walmart as well, and they were also on clearance for I think $2 a piece. And I got basically everything right after Christmas. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of that moss in the bottom of both of my lanterns. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and get started on making my bows for the lanterns.
Me shakes me to the core, yeah. And you find
so I enlisted Cameron to help with making my bows, and I'm using her finger to help make the middle of the bow full, and the part that you see there now will actually be the back of the bow. I hope that makes sense. And here I'm just going to add some glue on each side of the knot to help maintain the fullness of the bow.
Could keep you a little bit longer, could make us feel a little bit stronger. to the core. Oh, and you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead, compare myself to her. But I'm like no other.
And I chose that black and white ribbon to help tie in with the black and white ribbon that's on the wreath that's hanging on my front door. And now I'm just going to add some hot glue to the back of the ribbon so that I can place it on the front of the lantern. So before I added everything to the front porch, I just wanted to go ahead and give it a good sweep. Okay, y'all, here's the final look. I'm pretty pleased with the way everything turned out. I didn't do much. I just kept it simple. But you know, in some cases, I believe less is more. But I am thinking about adding a buffalo check rug later on. So now that I'm done outside, it's time to work on my family room, and we're going to start by changing out our window treatments first. So my husband is just going over the directions for the curtain rod that we purchased. We got a new curtain rod from Lowe's, and we're just going to be making sure that we have all of our measurements correct. So we finally got the curtains put up, and I'm just going through using my steamer to make sure that I get all of the wrinkles out. So I have been wanting to add a clock over my fireplace, and I wasn't sure how it was going to look. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm trying to see if I'll like the clock better than the mirror. So I'm going to take the mirror down first, and then I'm going to add the clock to see if I like it. Okay, so I was kind of liking the way the clock looked, so I decided to ask my husband to hang it for me. And once he got it up there, I still felt like it was missing something, but I just played around with the decorations a little bit.
Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby, and never let me down. Let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies.
And now I'm just going to dust and vacuum before I add the rest of my decor to the fireplace.
You gave me feelings, feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You and me forever, yeah. You and me written in the stars. You and me.
Alright, and here's the final look. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think about the changes that I made. The jury's not out yet on the clock or the curtains. I'm still trying to figure out how I feel about both of them. I think it's kind of growing on me. I'm not sure yet, but y'all let me know in the comments what you think.
You always searching for a better thing. Wanna replace me? I'm in a place that I've never been. It's worse than lonely. 'Cause someone tell me they see good in me. There's good in me. 'Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah. Sometimes I wanna risk it all. Since you left me, struggle, baby, I see pain. 'Cause I got nothing. 'Cause someone tell me they see good in me. There's good in me.
Alright, y'all, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and click that bell so you never miss an upload. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.